Hey guys, if the golf ball in the simulator is making you run and putting your hit knots on your head, check in and maybe change into a lower spin ball, because that high spin ball and that screen, yeah, they can react real funky with each other. So yeah. Hey, let me show you something right quick. Watch this. Y'all ready? Okay, did you see that? Turn the light on. These two Mizunos out of the rack over a few minutes ago. Now, okay, one of the balls is a RB Tour. You got that? RB Tour. Okay, that's the first one. Throwing that on the mat. Now the second ball, the 566S. Okay, you got that? 566S. Now that's the one with all the little dots and the dimples and all that. Now I'm going to show you something. If you are having trouble with the ball coming off the screen and doing crazy stuff at you, you might want to investigate this. Okay, so watch. Let me show you. Okay, I got a lob wedge. I got plenty of room in this room. Now we're going to start off. We're going to start off with a Mizuno Tour ball. Okay, Mizuno Tour. So I'm going to pull the other one over out of the way. And we're going to hit this Mizuno Tour 2 or 3 times and see how it reacts on that screen. Okay, and the screen's a little washed out for you right now. I'm sorry about that, but you know, we're going to peel all at the same place, right in line with the T-dot on the ground right here. Okay, see right there, and the screen. Now I want y'all to watch what happens with these balls, how they react with the screen when they hit. Okay, so lob wedge. This is the Tour ball. Okay, hit and it dropped. You seen that? Okay, and that landing is stopped right here on the mat where I started from. It's laying right in front of me. So let me tip the camera now. I want y'all to see this. This is the Tour ball. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to take it lob wedge, take it up nice and full. It launches up, comes down, bumps around, lands right here at my feet. Right? You see that? There it is, right there. We'll do it again. See if you can get it to come right back. If you hit it straight, it comes back. That's just the way it works. Okay, see? Right there, on the mat. There's the ball laying down. Perfect manners. That ball has manners, okay? The Tour ball has manners. See that? Okay. Now, let's get the Tour ball out of the way. Let's pick up this one here. Okay, now, y'all seen how well behaved that ball was. It come back, landed on the mat, and stopped right where you want it to. And then you're ready to hit it again. Now, this is another ball. This is a Mizuno also. Now, this is a Mizuno 566 V. And I got an S in my pocket also. Now, it doesn't matter which one. Okay? It doesn't matter which one you try. Let's try the V first. Okay, ready? So, y'all see how the ball reacted a minute ago, right? Y'all seen how it reacted. Okay, let's see if this one comes back to the mat where this one is. Y'all ready? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's try one more. Might have been launched a little higher that time. You ready? This is the 566 V. It runs up the screen. It don't come back here. Same lob wedge, right? Same net, same distance, right here. We'll take the same swing. You see that? Ball shouldn't do that. Watch. One more time. Now, here we go back to the Tour ball. Ready? Tour ball. 32-degree launch, and it just comes back and lays down. You see that? 32-degree launch, 6,500. The ball comes down and lays down. Speed is 65. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, 33-degree launch, right at 6,000. Change balls. Here we go. We're on the S ball now, okay? .34-degree launch, 59, and it went up and crazy. Let's try it again. Ready? Y'all ready to see that again, how it worked? That ball is laid down, it's right there. You got balls that are misbehaving coming off the screen. Try one with a different spin and see if it changes it for you. In other words, this one's got a lot of spin, and well, when it hits the screen, it climbs the screen and runs around the room like a cat. Yeah, like a cat when you step on its tail. Yeah, so yeah, we don't want to, if your balls are doing that on you, you probably want to play a different ball in the simulator, okay? So let's try one more, see what happens here. I'm going to try to get it down. And that's 32 degrees, and that ball hit, bounced, and went crazy. Hey guys, if the golf ball in your simulator is making you run and putting your hit knots on your head, check in and maybe change into a lower spin ball, because that high spin ball and that screen, yeah, they can react real funky with each other. So yeah, find one that works for you. Don't chase it all over the place though. When I use the hard ball, it rolls right back and stops where I can hit it again. The other one, I got to chase it under couches and all over the place, because once it hits the screen, I don't know what it's going to do. So the tour ball hits the screen, dies and falls. The high spinning ball, up the screen and to the sky. Yeah, got something going all the time. Learn every day on these things. Y'all be good. Another tip about what's going on in the Garmin and the simulator world is what I found out. High spinning ball, it'll climb the screen and come back at you pretty good. Hey, I don't know from first-hand experience, but yeah, I know somebody does. Y'all be good. We'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Remember this, God loves you and so do I, and you can't take it with you. So yeah, make yourself a simulator and play some golf, or do something that makes you happy. And then do other than that, do something for somebody else, okay? Do that for me. See you on the next one, okay? Later, and I'm out of here. Spike out. Bye.